Good evening everybody. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today we will learn how to use label control with associated control ID property. A single label control is used to display the message on web browser. Now let's take another example of the label control to use the associated control ID property. Associated control ID property is set with the other controls like add new item, okay. Now web form, take a new web form, single I will here used username property, username. In the username, highlight the name of the user by underlining the U, only the U, and the username. Place the single text box here, Control X. I will here we are using the label control, so bind the label control text property from this method. This is the method. I want to use the associated control property. First of all, take the text box control and set the text box control property is access key. I want to focus on text box control using the U. When press the Alt plus U, then directly we will focus on it. But how to determine exactly what is the key of this text box? So here we identify using the label control. So label control associated control ID property is a text box 1. And set the access key property is U here. Okay. Now remove this access key from the text box. Now directly you can focus on text box control. When we are pressing the Alt plus U, simple Alt U, then directly focus on your text box, because associated of the control of the label control is text box. So you can easily define. Check it now. There is a indication that that is the key number U, underlined with the U tag. Associated control ID property is text box. So directly you can focus on text box using the access key. Thank you very much.